Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 214. If we start with this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here. So 6, 8. 4, 6, and 8 covering this box. So this is our 5. That 4 and 8 means this is our 6. That makes this our 8, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 2, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 8. 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering here and here, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. We may have a mistake, so that 9 makes this our 5, 9. Oh no, we're still okay. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4, 5, and 9 here, so this is our 1. 5 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so, sorry. That's wrong. All right, so we're still missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 9, 4, and that makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. To finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. And that 7 makes this our 6 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.